Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Doc, we are going to learn how to use the edit menu. First, we need to create our document. Then we need to click on edit. So the very first option here is available is undo. If I write something, let's write something like text and select this. You can go to the edit menu and click on undo, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl Z. Just click here, going to undo the text. And if I want to redo, so here we have this option with the edit menu, which we can just click on redo, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl U. Just click to redo your text. Next, here we have cat. First, we need to select the text and we need to go to the edit menu and click on cat. You can use the shortcut Ctrl X. I'm going to click on that. And here I can paste the text. Next, we have here under edit menu is copy. You can click on copy, or you can use Ctrl C to make a copy. Now, if I want to paste, we can use the shortcut Ctrl V, or we can just click on paste. Multiple times we can paste this text. And next here we have this paste without formatting. I can just click here to paste this without formatting. Now I can undo this, Ctrl Z, can make a copy, and you can paste without formatting, and you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift V. Next, here we have this option which is select all. I can use the shortcut as well, which is Ctrl A. Let's click at that. It's going to select everything in my page. Not only text, everything like table, section, if there is any image, it's going to select everything in this document. And here I can just click on delete. Under edit menu, you can click to delete all selected objects or text. And the last option under edit menu is find and replace. You can use the shortcut which Ctrl H. Let's undo. I want to find something and replace it. So I'm going to click on find and replace. So here find me T and replace it. You can see the highlight for T and replace it with H. You can click on replace all, and you can click on replace one as well. You can check these options like match case, use regular expressions, example you can see, and you can ignore here, like you can see the examples here. We are not going to ignore, or we are not going to use regular expression. We're going to replace all. So you can go to the next and previous as well. Click on replace all. As you can see, it is replaced that T to H. So this is how we can use these options with the Google Doc, which is available here with the edit menu. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.